Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you Chip-Link wireless and access point TL-WA901ND quick unboxing and review. So let's take a look. This is my Chip-Link wireless and access point router. How exactly this box looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and let me see what inside this box and etc things. So now I'm going to open this box and let me see what inside this box. After unboxing this box, we're getting here some quick installation guides, and here we're getting our this Chip-Link router. You can see how exactly looks like, and then we're getting here three antenna for getting better range, and also we're getting inside there is a Ethernet cable, and also we're getting inside this box a power adapter to connect this router with electricity. And here we're getting some extra RJ45 connector. It's like kind of switch, and this is all about inside this box. So after unboxing this box, we're getting here our adapter and Chip-Link router with antenna, a Ethernet cable, and a Chip-Link switch. So we're going to install these things. Actually you can easily connect here and just screw like this, and this antenna will be connected. You can see there is a total three antenna. This is really quite interesting, and so you will get better range to our home, personal or professional use. Now let's take a look what inside or how exactly this Chip-Link looks like and etc things. This is the front side view. This Chip-Link router, here we're getting Chip-Link logo, and here also we're getting some status for power off on, Ethernet, wireless and WPS connection. And this is we can see the stylish way they make it, so let this device make a little cool and with the stylish design. And the back side we're getting to connect our three antenna connection we already connected, and here we're getting Ethernet connection, and this is a WPS or reset button. And here we're getting a power connector slot, and this is the power button. And here we're getting our details about this Chip-Link username, password, IP address and etc things. The Chip-Link wireless and access point TL-WA901ND is designed to establish or expand a scalable high-speed wireless and network, or to connect multiple internet-enabled devices such as games, consoles, digital media, adapters, printers, or network-attached storage device to a wireless network. The AP supports a host of different functions that make your wireless network experiences more flexible than ever before. Now you can enjoy a better internet experience when downloading, gaming, video streaming, or with any other application that you may wish to use. I buy this from a local market which cost me around 35 USD dollars. So within 35 USD dollar, you're getting a high range wireless router for your home or for your business purpose. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.